And just bring it slightly out of the water, Adam. So draw it back towards you, and stop. And that's dark green, basically, very dark green.
There's still a lot of
suspension, yeah.
The storm had stirred up the pool, making it hard to see anything, but the team remain in good spirits.
Does my bum look big in this?
Massive.
As the seal pups are nearly ready to go to sea, the whales' opportunity to hunt this year will soon pass, and the team know this could be their last chance.
What size that fin? Okay, Mike, she's coming in. Coming in, Mike.
Coming in.
Just here. Mike.
1 second, mate. I can talk to you gently here now, and I can also see where you're pointing. She's in. Recording. Hold it steady. Hold it steady. Got it.
She's gone past Mike, she's in the pool.
I'll get in there.
Good job.
We've got one. Definitely. Can't mistake it. Bringing it out now. We're taking it straight out. Go. We're pulling it out. Getting it to sea. Yeah, there you go. Taking it under. God, he just got hammered. Part of me's elated that I've got it, but part of me's sort of sad really, because I've watched these little characters, these pups grow in the last few weeks, and but the orcas too, they've got to survive, and they've made a successful hunt, and they're now continuing their journey, so what can you say?
Witnessing such events often results in such a conflict of emotions. The 2-week window is over, and the